Welcome to the Lucas Marangon tutorial channel. Today, we're going to do the cleaning and changing the fluid of the BMW G650 GS, F also, Dakar, Sertão, they're all practically the same. Come on, guys. First of all, you have to remove the bike seat. It's a very simple thing, but it is different. You have to open this cap. It stays in the trunk. Then there will be this red piece. You have to pull it back and up at the same time. It will unlock the seat. Then you pull the seat up and back. It will probably come out without any difficulty. Seat removed. Now start removing the torque screws from it. There are several torque screws. Some places are a bit boring, and you can't forget, down there and up there. If you pull the fairing without removing it, it will break. Down there is one, up there is another. Near the panel, there is one that is kind of hidden in the airbox. Nothing difficult. Then you have to remove the black part, the left part, right and left. I'll explain to you that it's boring when you have a fairing protector. I'll do it with you here. The left fairing, when you have a fairing protector, it's the right one. You have to turn the handlebars to the right. If not, the fairing gets right there. Mine is already marked. Many BMWs will have this brand, the G series, the most modern model of fairing, because it catches if you don't have the handlebars turned. Only with fairing protector. Without fairing, it is easy to remove. So you have to unclip it from the lock, pull it a little to the side, then you have to lift it up and to the side at the same time, for this little piece that is near the headlight to come loose, and then with the handlebars turned, there is no danger of catching fairings. Now, the next step is to remove the cart protector. Not all versions have a cart protector. Some don't come with it. The ones that come are 3 torque screws, easy to remove too, nothing complicated. This one is the screw that drains the radiator fluid, the main one, the drain, the expander, and the radiator cover, which we are going to work on now. Now we are going to start cleaning. I'm using this product here, it's national. We are going to remove the radiator cover, and here comes a little secret, which is a cat's jump. By the time you open it, I probably, and so I hope, that yours will be full. You will see that it is full. How am I going to put the cleaning product with this full? Then we go there on the drain screw. We will open it just a little bit, without removing the screw, just to give a slight emptying, and then you will be able to put the correct amount of the radiator cleaning product. Having done this, you will notice that it has lowered the radiator fluid. Then you take the cleaning product and put the recommended amount. If it did not give the recommended amount, empty a little more until you get to the practically full amount. Now cover, close the screw well down there, cover, close the expander, turn on the bike and wait for it to turn on the fan. You can accelerate too, accelerate a lot too, to turn on the fan faster. Now, there are other tips too, for you who are going to do this in your homes. Separate between 1.5 hours to 2 hours to do all this work. Why? Because moving with a radiator fluid, you have to wait for it to cool down. Otherwise, you will get hurt. It is dangerous. It generates pressure and is hot as hell. So every time you have to turn it off, you have to wait for it to cool down a few times to do the cleaning and the exchange. So it takes time. You have to be patient. So now, while the fan turns on, after it turns off the fan, you will turn off the bike. And my tip now is to prepare the product. I will teach you how to prepare it. Some products come ready. This one I'm going to show you. You have to prepare it. I'm using this national brand. There are a lot of brands on the market. Everyone buys their favorite. The only tip I give, preferably to buy all brands of the same brand, because there is no danger of the product not being compatible. I bought this specific brand because it had the complete line. It had the super cleaner, it had the premium fluid for the bike, it had the phosphatized water, which would be an improved demineralized water, with a very affordable price, and it had this additive that makes the fluid even colder. I live in a very hot region. My bike usually runs with the fan always on, and usually this additive you only find from imported brands and with a very salty price here in Brazil. So I chose this one because it was in a complete line. Now let's prepare the fluid. If you've already bought the ready-to-use one, you'll skip all this step, but you have to wait for the bike to cool down in the same way. At BMW, it goes around 1 liter to 1.5 liters. It varies a lot, but my tip is to leave it around 1.5 liters and buy product twice as much as you are going to use. Because if there is any problem, if you need to redo the cleaning, you will see in the cleaning part how to do the cleaning. If you need more product, buy twice as much. Buy to prepare 3 liters. Of this brand here that I'm working on, it's half of the additive, half of the phosphatizing water, right, and then another 10% of the temperature reducer additive. You mix it in a bucket, wherever you want, but always use the proportion that the manufacturer indicated. "10 minutes after turning off the bike, it will start to drain the radiator fluid. The first step is to remove the screw without removing the radiator cover, because here the water is still with more pressure. About 300–400 milliliters of water will come out, at most, of fluid, right, in this case. Then when you open the lid, everything goes down at once, so open it slowly that a lot of water will come down, and it will already remove the pressure from the system. Now that this water has just emptied, then we go there and open the radiator cover, which will bring down all the rest of the water. As I'm recording alone, I couldn't show it opening there, but when I opened the radiator water cover, it flew about 70 centimeters away. I had put the bucket to catch water close and it flew away. But you will take this risk, you have no problem, it will go down practically everything. Continuing, now we are going to clean the expansion tank. I ended up not recording the video, but I will explain. It is a torque screw to remove it, and then remove this clamp here. Very simple. Remove it, take it to the tank, wash it well, then put the clamp, put the screw, and it's ready. Now, let's put the radiator fluid. No, remembering that we are not doing the complete cleaning, but before I continue here, like it, subscribe, and share Lucas Marangon's tutorials. Okay guys? This helps the channel a lot. Now we will continue cleaning. With the drain screw open, now you will come in this other screw here, which is on the other side. It's like a spur. It makes it easier to pass the radiator fluid. So you will open it close to the temperature sensor, close to the fan, close to the candle. You will come in this screw and open it. Don't take the screw out, for love of God, because it's hard to put. It's a boring place. So you will open it a little bit, just to loosen it, because now we are going to continue cleaning. With the drain screw open and that little screw there also loose, to continue cleaning, you will put the demineralized water in the radiator, phosphatized water, for it to finish removing all the impurity that was left. You will throw it until the water is transparent, fluid in the case, right? It was transparent, then it starts to close and we will put it. In my case, I didn't need to do this. Some more extreme cases need it. If you threw a lot of demineralized water or phosphatized water, and it's still coming out dirt, doesn't stop coming out, dirt, these things, the tip is to redo the cleaning without the product. How are you going to do this cleaning again? You're going to close it. You're going to do the process of putting the radiator fluid, which is the next step, just with the water, and then it drains again. And then you're going to do this process now of putting the fluid. Now, let's start putting the fluid. Fill the expansion tank, which is the easiest. Fill the reservoir of the radiator. Don't forget the drain screw has to be closed down there, and the drain screw a little open, okay? And you will put it. Almost nothing will fit the first time, because the valve, the thermostatic, will be closed. There will be a lot of air in the system. So how are you going to get to the right level? You will put it and turn the bike on with the lid open, and then the system will start to work. It will foam, probably. It will foam. Why will it foam? There is a lot of air in the system. When it gets very close to the lid, you turn the bike off. It will probably already have the thermostatic valve open. You will be able to complete it, okay? And then turn it on again with the lid open. You will see that it will have lowered. Put a little more. You will do it about 2 times. Once that's done, you go to the exhaust valve, near the bike temperature valve, right? Close it, and then you also close the system. Close the radiator cover, and then you will turn on the bike until the radiator fan works. After the fan has turned off, turn off the bike. Now you have 10 minutes to enjoy. Subscribe and share the page. Take a break. Start making a mess, because you can't move anything. Otherwise, you will get hurt. Water will fly everywhere. You have to wait now for 10-15 minutes for the bike to cool down. You will check the level of the radiator. Then you will open the lid, see how the level is. If you need to complete it, it will probably go very little. Let's complete it, close it, and it's ready. This tutorial has been useful. Questions in the comment. Share, like, follow, and share the channel.